Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Windows Terminal and getting immediate access. Press Win plus X or press Win and type Terminal, then open it. Once done, right-click the app and choose Run as Administrator if you need elevated permissions, because some commands require them. Make sure to pin the terminal to the taskbar and set your default profile in Settings so future starts use your preferred shell. This saves time and avoids repeated setup steps before you run real commands. Now configure and use multiple shells and panes to work efficiently. Open a new tab with Ctrl plus Shift plus T or pick PowerShell, Command Prompt, or WSL from the drop-down. Choose the shell that matches your task. Split panes with Alt plus Shift and the minus or equals keys to run parallel commands and resize them with the mouse. Customize each profile's font, color scheme, starting directory and environment variables so tools launch in the right context. This prevents confusion and speeds scripted work. Execute the commands you need and capture results. Use tab completion and the up arrow to reuse commands faster. Copy and paste with Ctrl plus Shift plus C and Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Redirect output with file name or use T to both view and save results. Check exit codes. Use echo %error level % in CMD or $. In PowerShell to verify success. If something fails, restart Windows Terminal first. Make sure path includes required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.